morning class 4th. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and fit. Now class, as you know that we already completed chapter number 4 with all the book exercises and the question answer. And yesterday we done the activity of chapter number 4 which is on the page number 4040. Now today we are going to do the recap of life cycle of butterfly and the life cycle of grasshopper. In the live session of class, so many students are asking, ma'am, there is some confusion in life cycle of butterfly and life cycle of grasshopper. So today we will take a recap of this topic, and that is very important. Thus I am going to repeat it again for you. So be sincere, be active, be attentive during the video session. So just take out your book, that is science book, and which chapter? Yeah, this is the topic of chapter number 4, and today date is 28 July 2020, and this is a science video session. Okay class, so first we will do the sentence of the day. After that we will continue our session with this topic. Okay, so let's start our day with sentence of the day. So student, this is your sentence of the day. That is, if you want to be more powerful in life, educate yourself. It's that simple. Okay, there is only one thing that make you powerful, that is education. So if you want to be a more powerful in life, educate yourself. It's that simple. So students, let's start today's session, and what we are going to learn? Yes, we are going to learn about life cycle of butterfly and life cycle of grasshopper. Okay, so be ready. First thing I would like to inform you that in the life cycle of butterfly there is 4 stages. Okay, and on another hand, life cycle of grasshopper there is a 3 stages. Okay, and both are the insects. Do you know the butterfly and grasshopper come in the same category, that is insect. Okay, so let's start with life cycle of butterfly. Now class, let's start the session with the life cycle of butterfly. Okay, now look at the board, that how the life cycle of butterfly run. So first, butterfly lay the egg on a leaf. Okay, butterfly is an insect, and you know that insect lay the egg. Okay, so first, that is the first stage. Okay, on which butterfly lay the egg on the leaf. Got it? The leaf, after few days, what happened? After few days, the egg hatch into a caterpillar. And you know what is the hatch? Yes, growing of egg into young ones. What is the meaning of hatching? Growing of egg into young ones. Okay, after few days the egg hatch into caterpillar. Okay, see, this is the picture of caterpillar, and caterpillar is also known as larva. Okay, so now what happened? The caterpillar eat all the leaf greedily. Okay, after coming out from the egg, caterpillar eats all the leaves and stop eating. After that, eating the leaf, it stop eating, and while the sometime it cover itself in cocoon. Okay, caterpillar cover itself in hard case, that is called cocoon. Okay, that is called cocoon, like this, inside pupa. Okay, now it is called the pupa, that is the third stage. Okay, caterpillar is the second stage of life cycle of butterfly. After that, some day, what happened? The caterpillar cover itself in cocoons, that is a hard case. Okay, cocoon, and it नेम एज अ प्यूपा, फिर हम उसे क्या बोलते हैं, प्यूपा कहते हैं, व्हेन कैटरपिलर गोज इनटू कुकुन. ओके, एंड दैट इज अ थर्ड स्टेज. ओके, इन cocoon pupa just turn into butterfly. Inside the cocoon, pupa change their self into butterfly. Change their, after few days, the pupa change itself into a butterfly inside cocoon. Okay, pupa turn into butterfly inside cocoon, and that is a fourth stage of butterfly. Got it? That is the fourth stage of butterfly. Okay, after a day or 2 day or 3 day more, the butterfly break that cocoon. The butterfly break that cocoon and it come out with a beautiful wings, and it is a adult butterfly. So this is your adult butterfly. Got it? So this is your life cycle of butterfly. There is a 4 stages. How many stages in the life cycle of butterfly? 4. Number 1, egg. After that, caterpillar, larva, both are same thing. Okay. After that, pupa. After that, pupa turn into butterfly inside cocoon. Okay. And what is cocoon? Cocoon is a hard case. Inside pupa turn into butterfly. Okay, and after few days, that pupa break the cocoon and come with a beautiful wings and become a beautiful butterfly. Okay, so this is the life cycle of butterfly. Now I hope there is no confusion that what is the life cycle of butterfly and how many stages in butterfly. Now you got it that there are 4 stages in butterfly. One by one you know the name of all the stages. First stage is egg. After that, egg hatch into caterpillar. After that, the caterpillar go inside cocoon and become pupa. Pupa inside the cocoon turn into a beautiful butterfly with beautiful wings, that is called adult butterfly. So these are the 4 stages of life cycle of butterfly. So you got it? Yes. Shall we come on next? That is the life cycle of grasshopper. Yes, that is also important. And see how you draw the picture diagram of life cycle in your notebook. You will draw the diagram of life cycle of butterfly in your notebook also. Okay, so beautifully, so colorful, name it all the things. Okay, now come to the next, that is a life cycle of grasshopper. Okay, now student, let's start the life cycle of grasshopper. Just like another insect, cockroach, grasshoppers all are having the 3 stages of life cycle. Okay, now in the case of grasshopper, the egg do not hatch into larva. Okay, what you seen in the butterfly, that egg hatch into larva, but in the case of other insect just like a grasshopper or cockroach, the egg do not hatch into larva. It just come into a nymphs. Okay, there are 3 stages. Okay, there are 3 life cycle stage. That is, first is egg, after that nymphs, that is second one, and third one is adult. Okay, got it? That how many stages in life cycle? Yes, there are 3 stages in the life cycle of grasshopper. Okay, so just see the grasshopper lay the egg. Okay, they lay the egg, and after few days the egg broken, and what will come out? The young ones come out from the egg, and that young one's name is nymphs. That young one's name is nymphs. You can see that the both are resemble to each other. The young ones of grasshopper and adult grasshopper, by look, they are resembling same, okay, but there is only one difference between both, that the adult one have wings. You can see that I have drawn the wings of adult, and in the young ones of grasshopper there is no wings. So this is different between these. Okay, student. So the adult insect, but this is a smaller in size. Has compared the size, you have seen that this is a bigger one and this is in smaller size, and they are called nymphs. They are called nymphs. Okay, they feed on their own and grow in size. Now they feed their own, ये खुद से खाते हैं और अपने साइज को ग्रो करते हैं. And after the molt, what is the meaning of molting? Molting is a process in which the young ones grow their body. Okay, that is a molting. They molt several time before they become adult. They molt themselves. Molting means shedding their skin. Okay, several time, many time they shed their skin and they become adult. Okay, then they become adult, and before Sunday this adult is a grasshopper. Okay, this is a grasshopper. So this is the life cycle of grasshopper. There is a 3 stage: egg, nymphs and adult, and adult is a grasshopper. Okay, now I hope now there is no doubt regarding life cycle of butterfly and life cycle of grasshopper, and you can draw any one life cycle of butterfly or grasshopper or frog in your notebook. Okay, student, this is very necessary that you have to learn the life cycle of butterfly, grasshopper and frog. Okay, so I hope from today there is no doubt between the life cycle of butterfly and life cycle of grasshopper. Both are little bit different. Okay, both are little bit different. One are butterfly are having 4 stages and grasshopper life cycle having 3 stages. So there is a difference between the life cycle of butterfly and life cycle of grasshopper. So just remember that the stage of life cycle of butterfly is 4 and the stage of grasshopper is 3. And what is that? You have learned from the diagram, and so many explanation about this I have given in last video also and today also. So just keep learning and repeat this thing again and again.